Hi there. I wanted to go over how to do MLA style typing for class. So I have a generic document here set up. You can see at the very top, in the top left-hand corner, I have the format for your paper. So you would put in your first and last name up here. Okay, followed by my name. Then you will put English, whatever class it is. So if it's English 11 or English 10 or English 9, whatever English class you have. And then the hour you'd put there. And you'll have the title of your paper. So if this is a comparison paper or an argument paper, a persuasive paper, a narrative, you would put that in there. I'm just going to put narrative for our purposes here. The last element you want to change is where it says day, month, year. So we will always put in the day your paper is due. So, what date does your teacher give you? What is the month? And then what is the year? So you will fix that. So it might look something like this. Whoops. Okay. So please notice that we abbreviate. We only put 3 letters. Excuse me. Wow, that was like not good. We only put 3 letters for the month. Okay, so we abbreviate that. Your title here might just be a placeholder for right now. You can make that more creative depending on the topic of your paper. The actual document itself must be in the font type that your teacher gives you. So it might be Arial or Times. The font size might be 12. Usually that is standard. Okay, so we want to make sure that in case the document has not been set to 12, that you do that. And the other piece you want to make sure is that this is double spaced. So you're going to go up to your spacing in the top right, and you're going to make sure that it is set on double. Okay. Now the only, one thing I do want to mention is when you do a paragraph, you just hit the enter button once and you tab in, and then you continue typing. You do not put in an extra space like that. That is not what you want to do, okay? So every time I see that, I will have you take out that space. Your paragraphs, again, need to be indented. Depending on your paper, you may need a works cited page, so please make sure that you clarify that with your teacher. The other thing I want to show you how to do is how to add page numbers. So we're going to go up to Insert, and I'm going to scroll down to Page Number, and I want my page numbers on every page. So I'm going to just click my first choice here, which will put my page number 1 up there. I want to put my cursor in front of number 1, and I'm going to put, or you will put, your last name, okay, in front of that, so that I know should something happen, should your papers become separated for whatever reason, that it shows up on each page. And then you can see here that it automatically puts your last name and the next page number on the document. So yeah, that's where we're at. If you have questions, please ask. Good luck, everyone.